In this video, we will cover how to utilize the Urkund plagiarism prevention tool in your course assignments. Begin by selecting the appropriate course. And select Add Assignment. Here you will create an assignment as you normally would. Begin with the name, any instructions you might include. Remember to assign points. And in the submission type, be sure to select online. You can then also add additional types of entry options if you like. You can also restrict the types of files that your students are allowed to upload. If you have a particular extension that you only want the students to use, you would enter that here. Let's continue to scroll down to the plagiarism review box. Under this first box, select the drop-down menu and select the app Urkund. Now we'll scroll down a little bit further, and we will see there is a plagiarism settings that appears, and there is an anonymous option. This anonymous feature is an additional layer of privacy afforded to students that allows for their submission to be completely anonymous should it flag as similar to another student's submission. You may also select what type or when students can see the report. They can see it immediately after the assignment is graded, after the due date, or never. And then of course you can select your additional assignment requirements. Remember to save and publish. Now that we have our assignment created, I want to demonstrate how when a student submits an assignment, what it will look like in the grader for the instructor. So we'll select Submit Assignment and choose a file. I have one already selected. As you can see, our file was uploaded, Psych 101 paper. And the student or the submitter must select this box here for optional consent form, where the student will accept and understand that the submission is being scanned for plagiarism. So if they choose not to select this box and select Submit Assignment, they will receive a warning saying that you must agree to the submission pledge before you can submit the assignment. So the student or submitter will have to select this optional form here, consent form, and then select Submit Assignment. So now we have our assignment submitted. We can go to the Speed Grader option. And a new tab will open with the appropriate assignment and document. As you can see, the assignment is here. You can also see the link for the document that was submitted, but you don't see the Urkund similarity score or the Urkund similarity report. What you do see is a watch icon, and that means that the report is pending. The document has been sent to Urkund for analysis and it is being processed now. The analysis can take from 5 minutes to 7 minutes to complete based on the timing that Canvas and Urkund systems communicate. So let's go back and look at one of our other assignments. Let's select Instructor View 1. Speed Grader. And again, you see our document here, our document titled here, and this is the Urkund similarity score that was generated for this document. You can also select this similarity score and it will open up your Urkund similarity report in a new window. And now you can see our Urkund similarity report, and we have that 100% similarity score that you saw in your speed grader for this particular document. And then the 49% is the similarity score for the average of the remaining students in your course. We'll go over the Urkund similarity report in another video.